Proworx is recognized as an industry leader in high-performance ignition components. Chief among them, electronic distributors. One of the premium electronic distributors offered by Proworx is the Pro Series Ready to Run distributor. Proworx Ready to Run distributors are perfect for a street performance upgrade. For precise, reliable ignition output, this distributor series features a CNC machined billet aluminum body and a hardened steel shaft, with a sealed ball bearing on top and a sintered steel bushing on the bottom. They come with a fully adjustable mechanical advance, vacuum advance, magnetic pickup trigger, and a high-output circuit board module with a digital tach output. Rounding out the Pro Series Ready to Run distributor is a steel distributor gear, a dielectric cap equipped with solid brass terminals and a color-matched wire retainer. This high-quality construction guarantees strength and stability up to 10,000 RPM. Proworx offers ready-to-run distributors for over 100 engine configurations and displacements, including common applications like small and big block Chevy, small and big block Ford, and small and big block Mopar. So whether you need big spark for your high-performance engine swap, or you're looking for an easy way of upgrading your ignition system, look no further than a ready-to-run distributor from Proworx.